how to fix Google Play Store payments unsuccessful on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Google Play and then click play Google Play services, and now go to storage, clear cache, and after that click force stop. And here now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now click storage and then now go to Google Play Store and go to storage. Now clear data and click OK. Okay, but you will need to log in again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.